Praise the Lord.
March 9, 2021. The Pentecostal Mission Morning Manna. Thoughts for Daily Devotion.
Strange restoration. I restored that which I took not away. Psalm 69, 4. The true Christian spirit is to restore that which one did not take away. Sounds strange, doesn't it? What is this? The devil took away our health, joy, love, peace, etc. from us, which Jesus restored to us. This is the ministry entrusted to us also. If someone hates you, it is because the devil has taken love away from him. He certainly must be miserable. What should you do then? If you are a true child of God, you will restore to him the love he lost, by loving him in a very special way. If you cannot love him and do good to him, it means the devil has taken away from you the greatest and most important divine quality, love. Now abide faith, hope, charity, these three, but the greatest of these is charity, love, 1 Corinthians 13:13. The devil has taken away love from millions of souls, they are starved of true love. Let us restore to them what the devil has taken away and what the world cannot offer, divine love, forgiving love. The devil is also actively involved in the business of taking peace away from people, families, and homes. Shall we then go about restoring peace wherever we go? Jesus made peace by his death on the cross, and he wants us too to be peacemakers by making a sacrifice of our self-interest, self-concern, etc.
How many of us can say with Jesus, I restored that which I took not away?
Thank you for listening the Pentecostal Mission Morning Manna.
Thoughts for Daily Devotion.
Have a day of being upheld by God's love. Subscribe and press the bell icon below for more biblical creatives. Your subscription and share may bring blessings to many.